Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Teachers Association kalayai beteng yang jing syak tangan baklembu upor kebadawan ke sorkar jela ban penrung biang yaki hakakam. Habakran bat kedudarshan asilbert marak ubadai unohi kai kontrak ulaang banadu usnam arajar arpo ke senjuk kaladawan ke sorkar jela ban penrung biang yaki hakakam henry ke sorkar ke klem sengap satya yaki bat kani kala penlong yaki ban bu yaki bat ban penlong yaki syak tangan baklembu upor hakmat ke sekretariat. Ula benrap pada ki hajar ngut kini kai ki bela ajing syakri haki skam mentala palat shipho hadu kat sansnem kila syabe no naki kam. Haka juga por ula kerpat ru nak sorkar ban sngap ya kejing kerpat jongki.
We have demanding to government to keep continue in our service. But they are not listening to us, so that's why we have that government decision has been made us to come to there. That they are terminating us. We are more than 1,000 teachers, contractual teachers now in Meghalaya. We have done our experience, we have done our training, and we have qualified teachers. But they're just creating the examination, and they have failed us, and they have already terminated us.